Bulk edit your Shopify products? It's no longer just a dream. It's a reality with FlexSync. To get started, just install FlexSync from the Shopify App Store. It's completely free. Once installed, go to the FlexSync app in your Shopify admin and open the connected Google Sheet. Inside the sheet, you'll notice that some columns are grayed out. These are view only. But the colorful columns? Those are editable. And this is where the magic happens. Let's say you want to update your on-hand stock quantity for a bunch of products at once. Simply go to the stock column, enter your new values, and boom, the changes reflect instantly in your Shopify store. This works for any editable field. No more wasting time updating one product at a time. It's fast, flexible, and super simple thanks to FlexSync. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a like and hit that subscribe button for more tutorials just like this one.